Hi, in this tutorial I want to show you the basic workflow in creating a script and explain some of the functionalities that I think you will use the most. And to do that, I'm going to make a script for a video. Okay, so here's the OneTouch Scripter. This is the main editor, and this is where you're going to do most of your scripting. Let's load up a video file. Click on Window, click on Movie Player. Let's choose a video. I'm going to use the video that's included with the program. You can find that in the root folder under the directory called videos, and it's called example video. Let's open that. Here's the video. What I'd like to watch it first. So let's watch just a couple seconds of it, and let's go ahead and script that, the first 4 seconds of the video. Okay, so let's go watch again in slow motion, see what he's really doing. So it looks like he's going one long down, one long up, and a bunch of short strokes. So let's go ahead and script that. I think we could do 2 action for those movements, one for the long strokes and one for the short strokes. Okay, so now we know what we're going to do. Let's go back to the main editor and pick an action type for the first long strokes. And you can pick it. It's going to be a penetration move, so let's pick any of the penetration type. Let's pick that one. And what we need now is the start time of that action and the end time of that action. So the start time is the beginning 0, so we have that already. So let's get the end time. So let's get 2 strokes. So he's gonna go down, and then he's gonna go back up. There you go, he ends right there. Let's go ahead and send it to the end time. Okay, now we have that, I want to explain you some of the settings. The first one you should look at is the movement time. Now this is the time of each stroke, whether that's up or down. It's just 1 stroke. So if you recall, first we got the movement time of 2 strokes. And after you get that, you want to hit this button here, MT2. What it does is it takes the duration here of the 2 strokes and divide it by 2, basically the average of 2 strokes, and put it into movement time. So click on that, and you see that it updates the movement time. So this is the time of 1 stroke. So now we have that. The speed is just how fast he's going. It controls the speed. Between movement time is the time between each stroke. I suggest you use this time, but keep it very low. Intensity is different from the platform agent and controls mostly vibration. This controls the orifice, the tightness. This is also important, the starting direction. If you recall first, he went down first. That's towards the body. So you want to click here in. And now we have that. Let's go ahead and generate the script code. You want to click on this button to send it to the custom script code, the custom script box. And then, so what you have in here, it's not going to be saved. So you want to send it to the final script box here. After you see what you like, send it over here, and that's going to get saved. Another thing to remember here is every time you click on generate new action, the code in here is going to get replaced. So just think of this as a temporary workspace. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the second action. He's going to do a bunch of quick movements. So let's go ahead and get that time. So he's going to go down and he's going to go back up. Alright, so we get the new start times end of the last action, and now we have to get the new end time, which we just got right here. Let's send it to the end time. Okay, before we do that, let me explain the level option here. So this kind of controls the envelope of each movement to mimic, the on-screen action better, whether it's slow, normal, fast. So he's moving fast, so pick fast, and I suggest you use this when you can. Okay, so now we have that. We have the start time and end time of him going down and up. So let's click on this button, get the movement time. Okay, we got the movement time. We'll leave everything as default. Again, he went down first, so it's in. But before we generate the code here, let's keep on going, because he's going to keep the same action for a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and play that. There you go. He stops right there. He stops about right there. So let's get that. That's the new action time. Now we don't have to change the movement time because it was the same speed, the same pattern. So now that we have all that, let's send it to the custom script box. And then that looks good. Let's send it to the final script box. And there you go. That's your script for the 2 actions for the first 4 seconds of the video. And you can go ahead and save the final script box now if you want. And that's shows the basic workflow of OneTouch Scripter, and I hope you found that useful. Thank you.